Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Madness. So I got the car. Nice car. I like it. Alright. And then I got those two. And then this one. And then this one. And this one. Too many cars. Oh, what's good, y'all? Oh, man. Forgot I was recording for a second. Nah, I got y'all with another one, man. You know these batteries? You know how you got to go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto or any one of these auto parts spots, and you got to spend $120 or $150 on a battery. I just want to give you my tip and tell you what you should and shouldn't do, you know? So you see this battery right here? What I do is I take it to there's a local junkyard, scrap yard, and they have recycled batteries that they sell, right? And I don't care what people tell you or whatever. Right now we're running in a car with a recycled battery, and I've been running with this battery since I had the car, which is possibly about 8 or 9 months, right? So at half the price, you know, your battery's only supposed to last 2 years. If you ever noticed, there's the date on the side of your battery, and anytime your battery goes bad or your car is not starting, the first thing they do is they check to see the battery date. If it's over 2 years, the first thing they do is we get a new battery, right? Recycled battery is the same thing. They refurbish the cells, and they make sure that it worked up to its capacity. Now, with every product, obviously it has a defect time, and who knows how long that battery will drain out again. But a very inexpensive tip is to definitely go and get these recyclable batteries, and then if you want, wait the time and as the other one starts to give out, or you could save it as a spare and you get yourself a brand new one. Even if you get it online, you order it online for a cheaper price, that is the best bet. You probably get 2 batteries for the price of one, a recycled battery and a brand new battery. It's a quick video, quick tip. I definitely recommend it. Like I said, it's only going to cost me $55 with the recycled battery. If you don't have a recycled battery, it's $65, which is pretty much half of what you would pay at AutoZone or any other place. So I recommend it. I'm going to show you the quick process and show you the battery in a second. My guys, man, Affordable Auto Parts is definitely my guys on Whitecroft and Weirfield. And we got to support our local businesses, man. So I could care less about the big brands that got batteries, man. We're gonna support my guys as long as they get my car started and everything works. We good. Feel me? You know, the crazy shit, you know? Cars broken apart or whatever. It's crazy. But you get the point. It's pretty simple, man. So you see this one, it says 9/18, so technically it's supposed to be bad by 9/20/20. Hey, isn't that ironic? Today's 9/30/2020 and it's a bad battery and it has water in it. Horrible. But we're gonna go and get this one, replace it. You're gonna see the new one in a second. Go, man, I'm leaving. We got a new replacement battery. We also got some washer fluid. They do sell washer fluid here for $2 instead of $5 on AutoZone. So like I said, you gotta support your local neighbors and he actually gave it to me for free, which is funny. And I'm like, oh, I don't think you charged me for the washer fluid. Then I don't worry about it. It's only $2. I'm like, oh, good looking, man. I appreciate it. And then he's like, yeah, man, I saw you like this is like the 3rd time I saw you already for batteries. Like, and I'm like, yo, honestly, man, I be sending people over here all the time. Like, we got about 8 to 10 cars with these batteries in it. You know, I just sent him. He's like, I appreciate you, man. I appreciate y'all, man. I mean, that's what it is. So, definitely a dope encounter, man. Affordable. I appreciate y'all, you know. And that's it. It's pretty simple, man. This battery's gonna work perfectly fine. That's a quick swap, and put it in the car. And that's it. Now, the only thing it doesn't have a warranty. Well, actually, it does. It has like a 3-month warranty with these guys. But come on, what's the odds that that's gonna happen in 3 months? I doubt it. But yeah, it definitely does have a small warranty. The only thing it doesn't have 2 years or 3 years, whatever. You're saving half the price. Not for you don't have the warranty, you know, you don't have to worry about the warranty. So, you know. All right, y'all. Well, thanks for watching, man. That's how you do it. Support your local auto parts. Buy recycled batteries. You know, I guarantee it's gonna work. I have no complaints so far. So, you heard that. No complaints so far, though. So we got the old one. That's how I got the car here. And this is its new one. It's going into its home. I know it goes the opposite way. Yeah, something like that. Alright. I'm just gonna connect these wires and we all done with it. Okay, so batteries installed, y'all. And now I'm on the truth to find out the car starts. Car starts just fine. That's it, man. Done. You know what's up, y'all, man? It's real late out here in New York, you know. See, NYPD and that, but I want to use my platform for the right reasons. And I know it's auto stuff or whatever, but you got to remember, we live in America, and we have the option and the right to vote. So don't ever give up your right to vote, y'all. And that's just something that I feel very passionate about, and I gotta tell you guys. So make sure you go out and vote, man, and make a real change. You know, not something fake that they're talking about, but a real change, man. So bless up, like, subscribe, comment, man. Thanks for watching.